Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage the splash animation in the Flipaclip application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look in the top of your left corner and there you will find three lines. Press on it and now you can just press on app settings here. And after that you will see here this splash animation and you can see that right now it is enabled. If you press on it, it's going to be disabled, and if you press on it once again, it's going to be enabled, of course. And you can just manage it here to your liking. You can either disable it or enable it, and after that you can just leave and the change that you have made there will be saved. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.